Hi guys, let's do a get ready with me before my work and I'll show you what I'm going to eat before my flight. Chili and some sugar. Wait till I show you my final look. Look, so good. Snake fruit, look at this skin, it looks like snake. Now I'm going to get ready and come back. I'm going to try chicken puff pastry. These are called the cuties. This is how the cutie looks like. Wow, so sweet. These are called mulberries. It's a super rich antioxidant fruit. So good. Grapes. So crunchy. Okay, bye.